So hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-update ng ating Google Message. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, mula sa ating Android phone, pumunta lang tayo sa Google Play Store ng ating mobile device. So pagka-open, pumunta lang tayo sa search bar or itap natin yung search. And then type natin is yung Google Message. So ayan guys, kung hindi pa updated yung inyong Google Messages, ganito yung lalabas. Pero kung updated na yan guys, open na lang yung lalagay dito sa update. So since nga hindi pa ito updated, tap natin yung update. And wait natin hanggang sa matapos ma-install. So ayan guys, after ma-install, ganito yung lalabas. So tap natin yung open para directly mapunta tayo sa pinakang application. So continue lang natin yung ating account sa Google. And ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-update ng ating Google Message. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life every day